Hello, my name is Ryan Gilmer. I'm the Chief Investment Officer at Whitcomb & Hess. This quarter, when we send you your performance report, you're going to notice that it's been redesigned. The purpose of this video is to walk you through a sample version of that report to help get you acclimated. So, as you can see here, our sample client's name is Ed Whitcomb. On the cover page, we just have his name and address listed here. And then on the second page of the report is really where his investment information begins. The activity summary is designed to be kind of a 10,000-foot overview of everything that's going on inside of your accounts. There's 3 different time periods that are represented here. The current quarter and the trailing 12 months have the dates listed below them that they cover. And then since inception is the date that Ed became a Whitcomb & Hess client. So in his case, May 18th, 2010. You can see that the beginning market values, what he started with, is different for each of those time periods. Contributions, distributions, what did he add? What did he take out? Those are different across all those time periods, as is the market value change due to investment. The ending market value will always be the same, since the ending value is the same across those 3 columns. And then the return information will look different, again, because of the beginning, the differences in the beginning of the period. Underneath that, you have the invested value comparison. The green line shows the total amount that Ed has put into his accounts minus the amount he's taken out. So because Ed is retired, he's distributing money from his accounts, and the green line is slowly going down over time. The blue line shows the total account balance. So there are some ebbs and flows based on market changes over time. And the difference between those 2 lines is attributable to the portfolio growth since Ed has become a client. The next section under that is the account summary. So in Ed's case, he has 1 account. It's a traditional IRA. In your case, you may have multiple accounts, which will be listed here. You'll want to notice that this section is year to date. So it starts January 1 of 2021 and just shows what you started with, anything you've added or taken out, and then the ending value. The next section of the report gives a brief overview of Ed's portfolio. So the pie chart shows that he has about 60% of his money invested in stocks or equities, about 39% in bonds, and 0.5% in money market or cash. And then the holdings section gives further detail on each of the names of his funds, the tickers, the types of funds, which could also be mutual funds or stocks or bonds, and then the total amount invested and the percentage allocation as of the end of the quarter. The final section talks about Whitcomb & Hess's advisory fees and how they are calculated and disclosed to you. So the top section is the advisory fee summary before adjustments, and this is calculated by taking the billed market value as of the end of the quarter, multiplying by the annual fee, adjusting that for the quarterly period, and then getting to the total fee on the right-hand side. Our fee structure is tiered, which means we have certain breakpoints where we give clients reductions in fees. So the first $500,000, Ed is being charged 1% annually. And on the amount over that, he gets a reduction to 0.8% annually. There are additional breakpoints at higher values as well. So you'll see the applicable fee schedule for your accounts listed here. Under the advisory fee detail section, the first thing that'll be listed is a breakdown of how the fee is distributed across your accounts. So if you have multiple accounts, it will list the total fee or the fee being charged from each account there. Ed, again, only has 1 IRA, so it's the same amount. There also can be some cash flow adjustments made. If you've added money or taken money out during the quarter, we adjust the bill slightly for those transactions and dates and amounts, and you'll see that on your report if it applies. Again, Ed didn't have any contributions or distributions during the quarter, so his calculation is pretty straightforward. The invoice summary at the bottom just shows the fee before adjustments, any changes, and then the total amount due. If you have any questions about your specific report, please reach out to your Whitcomb & Hess advisor, and we would be happy to walk you through any details on your statement or answer any questions that you may have. So thanks. Have a great day.